Hello everyone, welcome back to another mini album tutorial. It's Marina here and I'm going to share with you today a super quick mini album. I used the bundle collection Wildflowers by Nitwit Collections and you can find as always all the links to the supplies I used down below in the description area. These papers are digital papers and to learn more about them you can click up where the I button is. I used a piece of cardstock 200 GSM and I have print on both sides. I score on the long side at 13 and 14 centimeters. I use my cutting knife and my ruler, but you can use your scissors as well. For the lid I'm using a piece 8.5 by 13 centimeters. For the closure I'm going to use two magnets. First I put a small amount of liquid glue on the lid and then I stick the magnet. I secure it with a piece of clear sellotape. For the mini album we need two pieces of white cardstock which I am going to score them on the long side at 12 and 24. And one piece 12 by 24 centimeters which we can fold it in half. We stick the pages in a way to form an accordion style. And finally, for the decoration, I am going to use these adorable papers from the kit and some of the elements to embellish somehow the album. That was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!